I'm gonna show you how you can easily redeem your coupon bundle on Temu. So from your Temu app here, you want to go to the U section of your app here. Now on here, you can see there is a $200 coupon bundle that I can redeem. And if you want to redeem it, just tap on Get like that. And then on here, just wait for it to load. And then you can see we can now redeem the coupon bundle. Just tap on Stop like this. Once here, just tap on again. Click on Stop. And you can see we can spin to get the $200 coupon bundle, just as easy as that. Wait for it to stop like that, and then there you go, we get a jackpot of $200. Now you can see we can now get a $200 coupon bundle just like this, right? And then you can use that $200 coupon bundle. You can see this is what it looks like, ultra lucky bonus. And then you can see we can get another coupon bundle. Again, we can spin yet again. Now just wait for it to spin. We can get another $100 worth of coupon bundles. Let's just wait for it to spin like this. And then you can see another $200, another $300 coupon bundle just like that. And then if we want to claim it, you can see it's ready for delivery. And then that's it. Now all we have to do is buy a couple of things to claim that $300 coupon bundle. And then you can see we can also get another 6 extra gifts of coupon, and then that's it. You're done.